Here's how to create the wiggle text effect in Premiere Pro. In your timeline, press T or select the Type tool to type your text. Next, open the Essential Graphics panel to adjust and reposition your text. Go to the Effects panel and select the Turbulence Displace effect and drag it onto the text layer. Go to the Effects Control panel and under the Turbulence Displace, create two keyframes for the offset property, one at the beginning of the text layer by increasing or decreasing the values of the offset property, and one at the end by resetting back to the default values. Next, change the complexity value to 1.5. Next, create a keyframe at the beginning of the evolution property with the default value 0 and at the end of the text clip with the value of 10. That's how to create the wiggle text effect in Premiere Pro.